I'm Sanjana Prasad and welcome to Yoga and You. Today we're going to be doing a practice that is extremely beneficial for those who work at their desks for long hours. As work gets more demanding, it's becoming increasingly difficult for us to take time away from our desks and commit to a full practice. But it's important for us to understand that movement can help to replenish energy. It helps to lubricate and mobilize the joints, connect with the breath, helps you become aware of your body, and also gives your mind some time and space and also a break so you can come back refreshed and work better. The asanas that we are going to practice are extremely simple and can be done right at your desk, but allow you to move, breathe, and connect with your body and your breath. So let's begin. You're going to start sitting on your chair. Sit slightly at the edge of your seat so that your feet are firmly on the floor. Your feet are parallel to each other and hip width apart. You're going to place your palms on your knees and sit up nice and tall. Relax the shoulders. On the following inhalation, gently move your chest forward, lifting your chin up. Allow your chest to open up. Your back is arching nicely. And as you exhale, drop your chin down, draw your belly in, your elbows straighten out, round your back. Inhale, open the chest. Naturally, as your elbows start to bend. Exhale, chin down, draw the belly in and round your back. Inhale, open up. Doing it 3 more times, you're just mobilizing your spine, bringing in a little bit of movement after all of that sitting. Also taking this time to connect with your breathing. Let your movement be gentle and comfortable so your breath is comfortable as well. Exhale and round your back. Let's do this one last time. Inhale and open up. Exhale, chin down, round your back. In the following inhalation, you're gently going to come into a neutral position. Next, we're going to move on to a gentle spinal twist. After all of that sitting, your lower back becomes extremely tight. So doing this movement will help to find some release in your lower back. So let's start in the center. As you inhale, you're going to lift your arms to shoulder level on both sides. As you exhale, start twisting to your right side and go as much as you can. Once you reach your maximum, use the support of your chair. Hold the back of the chair and give yourself a little more space to twist. And let's breathe here. For 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Repeating the same on the other side. Inhale and bring your arms up to shoulder level again. As you exhale, twist as much as you can to the left. And when you've reached your maximum, hold the back of the chair and twist a little bit more. Let your back release. Bring your awareness to your lower back and your belly because your belly is squeezing in as you twist. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Inhale and come back to center. And as you exhale, slowly bring your arms down. Next, we're going to open up the chest a bit. A lot of us, when we're working at the desk, we start to round the back and we start to stick our chin forward to work. So we're going to allow the chest to open up a bit and allow the throat also to open up. So you work on opening the chest and also strengthening the back a little bit. So hold the back of your chair, sit a little more forward, take full support of the back of the chair or the seat of the chair. And as you inhale, move your chest forward, lifting your chin up. And you're going to stay here and breathe. Arch as much as you can. Nice long inhalations here. Your chest is beautifully open. 5, 4, 3. Squeeze your shoulder blades together. After all of that rounding, allow them to squeeze together, engage and work a bit here. 2 and 1. Following exhalation, slowly relax and come back to a neutral position. The next movement you're going to do is to take your right ankle and place it on the left thigh. This particular posture is extremely good for your lower body and also your lower back because it helps to really release the hips. So because of a lot of sitting, your glutes can get extremely tight if we don't release them. And if the glutes are tight, it's going to affect your lower back. So this is an amazing stretch to do and so simple and easily done at your desk. So placing the ankle on the thigh, you're going to lift your arms up as you inhale, nicely lengthen up. And as you exhale and just bend forward, giving a weight into your leg halfway. And just stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Inhale and slowly come up. Exhale, bring your hands down. Release the leg and you're going to repeat the same on the other side. So your ankle on your thigh, left ankle on the right thigh, and allow this knee to fully relax. Even if it's sticking up a little bit, when you bend forward, allow it to go down towards the floor. Inhale and lift your arms up. Stretch, and as you exhale, bend down, lengthening from the lower back. Stay here. If you find staying here very difficult, you can also just release your hands down and hang over the leg. Okay, but if you want to challenge yourself a little bit, stretch your arms forward and breathe for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale and come up. As you exhale, bring your hands down. Release the leg. The next one you're going to do is going to help you to release the back of your legs and also your calves. So you're going to stretch your right leg forward, place the heel on the mat and lift your toes up towards the face. Inhale and lift your arms up, and as you exhale, lengthen forward from the lower back, reaching down. So this is stretching the entire back of your body, not only the back of the leg, it's also going up towards your lower back. Stay here and breathe. 5. Again, if this is too much for you, it's too challenging, you can even just stay at your shin or even at the knee, just allowing your leg to experience the weight of the upper body. Little bit flexion from your lower back. Breathe. 3 more breaths. 3, 2, and 1. Inhale, take your arms forward and come all the way up. And as you exhale, bring your arms down and relax. Let's do the same to the left side as well. So you're going to stretch your left leg out, heel on the mat and flex the foot nicely, toes towards your face. Inhale, lift your arms up. As you exhale, start to fold forward, reach for the toes, ankle, shin, knee, whatever is comfortable for you, and breathe. As you breathe, you can start to deepen your posture as well. So try not to go all out on the first breath. Give your body some time to deepen the posture. Use your breath. 5, 4. Remember, you're also doing this practice to connect with your breathing. So don't stop breathing. 3, 2, and 1. Inhale, take your arms forward and come up. And as you exhale, slowly bring your arms down. Bend your knee, come back to a neutral position. Place your palms on your thighs. And you're going to take a few breaths here, keeping the spine nice and long. Observe how your body feels after these stretches. Take your right palm and place it on your belly. You're going to do 5 deep breaths, focusing on your navel. As you inhale, you observe the expansion of your belly and your chest. And as you exhale, your belly and your chest relax. Inhale. Exhale. 3 more breaths. Inhale. Exhale. Very important part of the practice to connect with the breath. Very often we are disconnected from the breath. We breathe very shallow. So placing your palm on your belly and observing the breath gives you that time and space to lengthen your breath and breathe more consciously. One more breath. Inhale. Exhale. Slowly bring your palm back to your knee and relax and slowly open your eyes. The next move we're going to do, we're going to open up our legs and turn the toes out slightly. Okay? So because of this excessive sitting, we're constantly compressing the spine. Compress, compress, compress. So this entire region gets very, very tight. And once your lower back gets tight, it starts affecting your lower extremities as well. So it's very important to stretch and open up the spine in all possible directions. So we started with the twist and opening the chest as well. So now we're going to move sideways. So place your right elbow on your thigh and lift your left arm up as you inhale, and now as you exhale, bend over and open up the side of the body as much as you can. Don't allow your neck to drop. Keep it in line with your arm. So one side of the body is getting a nice squeeze and the other side is opening and stretching. Breathe here, just 2 more breaths. 2 and 1. Inhale and come back up. Exhale, release your hand. We repeat on the other side as well, placing the left elbow or your forearm on the thigh. Inhale and lift your right arm up. And as you exhale, bend over and breathe. 5. Even as you stay here, you're not fully compressing the left side. There is a lift and a stretch. Breathe. 2 and 1. Inhale and slowly come up. Exhale and bring your arms down. And slowly bring your feet back to neutral position. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I really hope this practice has helped you. Like we said at the beginning, even though this is not a full practice and these asanas are very simple and easy to do at your desk, they definitely do give you an experience of a complete practice by allowing your spine to move in all different directions, stretching your lower extremities, and most importantly, connecting with your breath and giving your mind space. Thank you once again. I'm Sanjana Prasad, and I'll see you in another episode of Yoga and You.